Hey guys, this is Jesper from YACSS, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your own WordPress websites to YACSS so you can actually post directly to them. So in my case it could be YACSS or schema writer website or my own branded website jespernissenseo.com. So let me show you how you can do that. So I'm logged into YACSS, scroll down, left menu, look for OAuth connectivity, click on that and click on WordPress. So you can see I connected jespernissenseo.com already, and I want to connect YACSS. So I click Add New, and I select up here to select the type. So WordPress sites, that's what you want. We also can connect to WordPress.com sites. I'll show that in another video. So let me connect this guy here. So the name is YACSS site. We don't use this for anything. This is just to show you in the table. And the URL of the website is YACSS.sites. The admin email is this guy. And the admin email is the email that you are logging into WordPress with. So the application secret key, we need to get that from WordPress. So I hop over to WordPress. So you log into your WordPress website. Then you scroll down, click on users, click on all users, find the user that is your admin user to WordPress and click edit. So I am already inside my user here. I scroll down, I find application passwords, click in this box, and I just call it YACSS. That's just the name that you call it. It's not used for anything. And I click this button, add application password. Good. My new password for YACSS is this guy, so I click copy, scroll down and click update profile. I hop back to YACSS. Here I enter the secret key and I click save. And now it's connected, and let's test if it works. AI content generator. I will create a blog post about what is cloud stacking SEO. Just create one blog title. I will create an article with 6 headers, and I will create 3 frequently asked questions and click process. So I'm using the OpenAI GPT-4o model as the default. I'm using OpenRouter, that's why I can select between all of the models here. So let's see what it does. So once the process is done, once it has written the article, it will appear in this box down here. Let's see what it does. And just click pause. So now it's done. Let's scroll down, and this is what it looks like. So in this article, of course, you can insert links. For example, cloud stacking SEO. Let's link to jespernissenseo.com. Just for fun. Okay. And so one thing that you should know is that in many WordPress websites, blog posts, and that's how my WordPress websites are programmed. The H1 or the header H1 is set equal to the title. So in the backend of WordPress, when you create a blog post, you have to give it a title. And in many themes, it's hard-coded that the title is equal to the H1. So in my website, this is the H1, and all of this is H2 and H3 and normal text and so on and so forth. So just thing to keep in mind that so this will be the H1 because that's the title, and this is just content. So this should not be an H1 also, it just should be an H2. Of course, you can also edit it inside of the WordPress editor, of course. So let me upload to WordPress, select account, YACSS, choose category. So these are the categories from the YACSS website. Click SEO, and the title is this, taken from the title, create post, and done. So that took 2 seconds. So let's see what it looks like. So you can see here that this is the H1, this is the H2, and also H2, and the text, and you can see the link, and it's already published. So it's yeah, so that's fast. And we also, and so it's published, but you can now in the backend of WordPress, you can edit post or edit with Elementor in my case, whatever, because it is already published. So in the backend of the local SEO module, we also added support for the WordPress connection. So I've created this tree service tester project. I can click this guy here, dude, select export to WordPress, dude. So this is for the local SEO module, and this is interesting, guys, because when I open this YACSS site and click SEO and click, see, this is the title, Tree Service Checker Chicago, create post. Let me show you what this looks like. So remember that what you're looking at right now, that's the okay, so that actually disappeared. So that's the local SEO module. So did I create post? Let me try one more time. Yeah, okay, so now it created, it actually created a second post. So anyway, so let me close this guy here. So this is an article. Let me just delete the number 2, dude. Yeah, so this is the first article, tree pest control displays. So I can see I need to do some editing in my style sheet on my website, in my WordPress website, because that doesn't look good. Anyway, so you can see that the image is there, and the driving directions are here, and everything is actually in the links to the driving directions. So in my case, it doesn't look good. I'll need to contact my web designer on YACSS site to ask why it looks like this. Then actually just try to upload it to jespernissenseo.com. Good. Local, good. Yeah, so it looks better in jespernissenseo.com, so you can see what it looks like. So this is interesting for those of you that's doing local SEO. You can upload, as you might already know, you can upload these projects to blogger.com. Also looks like this. And so these are all of the driving directions and links. So it's nice. And if you want to add more, you can just edit with Elementor and insert more content. Yeah. So that's it for today's update, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and take care. I'll see you in the next one.